We have a new warning that just developed, so bear with me and take a look at this. So take a closer look at the LA County mountains there. We've got a blizzard warning, and I have to be totally honest with you guys. I've actually never seen a blizzard warning, and as I'm talking here and working through this with you, I'm seeing orange, and I'm thinking to myself, I've never seen orange in the forecast, on the forecast map here in Southern California. I'd say been here for almost 14 years now. So this is unbelievable. We see winter storm warnings. We see winter weather advisories. We see purple in the mountains, pink. That's indicative of winter weather. But orange, that's pretty new. So we're going to have a little more on what that could mean through the Ventura County mountains. We're also looking at this blizzard warning.